Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video you'll see how I create 3 drawings for Mermay challenge. The first topic of drawing is Cubism, the second is Lost and Found, and the third was Guard. So let me show you how I was painting it. All these drawings I created from imagination in Procreate. The topic for this drawing is Cubism. Years ago, when I and my friends were visiting exhibition of Malevich, we were standing in line near the entrance to exhibition, and I was talking to my friends and said something like, Malevich is cubist. And there was a woman in line who heard me saying these things, and she was so angry at me. It felt like I insulted her personally and I insulted her whole family, and she was so angry at me. I didn't realize what happened first. But then when I came back home and googled more about Malevich, I realized that he was not a cubist, he was suprematist. So, but to be honest, it's all the same for me because I don't really care about modern art. I don't know why I was visiting this exhibition. Probably I just want to spend time with my friend. It's not that I was fan of Malevich or other artists. I mean, I accept that modern art has this value in terms of worth of ideas, because we cannot measure modern art by the same characteristics as we measure other visual art like academic realism or impressionism or other styles. I imagined what it would be like if this woman in line was my art teacher. What is the art style of Malevich paintings? And I would say something like, well, if he painted squares, it means he's cubist, right? Well, he painted squares. What cube is? It's a bunch of squares, so it means that he's cubist, but my logic doesn't work. No, I'm not bragging that I'm an idiot. I'm just saying that that was a funny situation and I decided that I want to paint it. The second drawing is very simple drawing because I had no idea what to paint. The topic for this drawing was Lost and Found. I had no idea what to paint based on this topic because I didn't understand the idea. I was like, do people mean lost and found? They mean they lost, I don't know, wallet, or did they lost and found a logical way, or what does it mean? I didn't understand the topic. This is why I painted what I painted. I painted lost and not found. And I was talking about my ideas. If you don't have ideas, you can paint about how you don't have ideas. This was my idea. How many times did I say the idea in this one sentence? The third drawing is Guard. I imagined this underwater royalty, a goldfish, and there are mermaids that guard her majesty. Why I painted goldfish? Because years ago I had a goldfish and her name was Cleopatra the Fourth. There were 3 other goldfish before her, but all of them, well, did not survive because at that time I had no idea how to sanitize aquarium. Goldfishes didn't want to survive, so this is why only the 4th goldfish survived. But she not just survived, she became the super goldfish. What I mean by that, she lived for 7 years in this aquarium. I was so surprised that goldfish can live for so many years. It was a giant big fish who ate everything in aquarium, but she died because she ate rock that was on the bottom of the aquarium. I had no idea that she could eat the rock, but she was very strong and she was very hungry fish, so she could eat everything. So she decided to eat rock. So yeah, that's the story about the Cleopatra the Fourth, and I think this guard trying to guard her so she won't eat rocks from the bottom of the sea. So yeah, that's the idea for this drawing, that's the drawing. yeah, that's the drawings, and I have to paint another mermaid today. I had idea what to paint. Today's topics is brave, and I had idea what to paint, but when I went on Instagram I saw that one very good artist already made a drawing and had the same idea that I had, so I was like, well, now I have to come up with other ideas. I mean, I would not paint it. I mean, I'm not complaining. Okay, I am complaining, but okay, I'll come up with other ideas. What I know for sure, I don't want to paint Brave cartoon The Brave. That was Disney's cartoon with this red hat main character. I don't want to paint it. I want to paint something from imagination. Also, in the recent days, I've been painting other things. I've been making sketches for my future sculpture. I will have a huge project, and I'll talk about it in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in next videos. Bye.